Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to get behind the mirror and peek. Now the way you do this, I want you to face the mirror, and then what I want you to do is just go to the closest pillar, okay? Connected to the mirror on the right hand side, and basically the left of the metal gate. And then you walk, sideways towards the metal gate, okay, into the pillar while you're facing towards the metal gate. This is what I want you to do until your feet are sliding into the pillar. Then I want you to hold the passport. This is the most easiest and consistent way. And then you just keep sliding to the right. You can get in, and then you can just go inside here behind. And as you can see, we are now behind the mirror, and you can face the side. You can do anything you want. Really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor, and I'll see you in the next one.